I had a Lord of the Rings like Hobbit themed party.
Nice.
So we were gonna do something cool. So me and my girlfriend went all out. This was pretty easy because everything was printed. I think everything was printed in almost Vase Mode or very, very, very thin.
Oh, wow.
So we went as Tree Ents.
Mm.
So we had, you know, we had tree trunks to put
Oh, wow.
around our legs. So this is all, single wall Vase Mode.
Ah.
I think I printed other trunks that we kind of then like cut up
Mm.
to be able to, put on,
Nice.
our shoulders and stuff.
And what'd you do there? Did you just do like hot glue?
No, we just taped them.
Oh, hey, double-sided tape is great. Yeah.
Yeah, we did low budget.
Hey,
And then
that
and then
works.
I took I sliced off one of those Groot heads.
Yeah.
So we had a
Oh,
little bit of like,
perfect.
right, our tree crown head.
Nice.
This was very thinly printed, and
Yeah.
then I actually heated up the rim so
Mm.
I could form it to my head better, so it
Nice.
stayed nicely. So this was a pretty, so everything was almost face mode or printed very thin, very cheap, very quick.
Love it.
Hand painted the brown, and it came out good. And
Yeah.
it was, I don't think you see too many Tree Ent costumes, so
No.
that was kind of a fun one that we kind of whipped together.
That's a great
Yeah.
costume. No, man, I'm starting to realize I think we've got to do another one because there's another episode like this because there's multiple Halloween costumes that I am only now remembering that fit perfectly in this. So,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Now, was that a last minute thing or did you have time to plan for it?
No, I think I had about maybe a week or two.
Ah, see, the
So
necessity of it
luckily it was
sometimes.
all like face mode. I'm like, oh, I can just like, whip through these prints pretty quickly.
I love that.
But yeah, I mean, that's why it was all taped onto us. So yeah, that was a quick, last minute